So it is currently 5:26. We're letting the boat down from the lift. And yeah, I got you. Just watch it up there. I got it right here. So we're gonna hopefully go get on some nice topwater smallies here. Sun is slowly rising. Y'all can barely see anything probably. We'll focus in on the moon. Portrait.
Bro, look, I'm in that.
There you are. Oh, they're going nuts up there again. More out. That's like when you like the point drops off. That's what that is. I want to drive this time.
Huh?
Said I want to drive this time.
When you do that every time we go somewhere,
I'm supposed to take turns.
just alternate.
Make sure my. There you go. What was that? I don't even know those fish. Only 10 foot deep. That's a fish. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah, it is.
I don't think he's that big, so I think you're good. So he doesn't feel too. Yes. This is wild one right here, smallmouth. That water's so warm. I'm good right in the roof of the mouth.
Oh my gosh.
Big one?
Yes, good one. Good small enough. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's 4 of them. 4 or 5 of them out there. Oh.
Bring him over here if you can.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's a PB. That's like 4. No, that ain't 4. That's 3. No, that might be 4. He's got 1 with him.
Oh my gosh! Oh no, it just came out! Bro!
Cast, please cast.
Oh, I ain't. Brother gets a popper.
Pop her out. I'll get the smallmouth.
Oh
my god.
Oh my god. I'm tweaking.
No.
Bro, what is going on?
Get the spook. Get the spook. The spook's right there.
I got a burst now. Holy cow. I think I got that on camera too. That blow up's probably on camera.
Bro, that was insane. There was 4 or 5 of them. I watched them. I was like, oh my gosh.
Bro, we got a good smally double up right here. I'm taking a picture. That was freaking nuts.
I can stop unhooking yours. Don't hook yourself. Okay, Maria, you're.
Yeah, get yours.
I got it. Okay. Okay, I need a scale first.
It should be. Might be in the day box or in one of these back bins. That's probably 3. Okay. Oh, where's my? I got them hooked so good on top of the mouth, they're gonna come off for years. So batteries are good.
What if that doesn't touch 2? It's 3.
321, 324. Yep,
324.
324. I got you.
Take a picture of the scale.
Yeah, you're probably right. Alvin's.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, buddy. Okay, they're going crazy out there again.
Yeah, so we need to go out there.
That whopper. Bro, we're all snagged up in this net.
Well, yeah, we were panicking because there's so many fish. Broke me off. Snap me clean off.
Bro, he's chasing you.
Snap me clean off. I had Ty lead it. I'm gonna clean my sunglasses on, put those on. No, I'm not. That's the other bait that we're catching fish subsurface on was a jerk bait.
Look at this. Look at this. I've had the entire school following me.
I can't see that.
Under me. Under us. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I didn't get a single hit.
Oh my gosh. There he is. There we got him. Yeah, it's a big one.
Good?
Yeah, it's a big one. Don't stay down.
I want to see if fish
I think it's a big one. It's heavy. I don't know.
I tightened that so much.
Probably a PB.
1.5. I thought it came off.
Something on the Yes, King!
Well, 1.5.
My PB is a 1.5, so.
It's in the big box.
Murky minnow, baby. I caught that one. He felt a lot heavier than he is. Gosh.
There they are.
I cast right there. Where's the scale? In the day box. That one is on me. It's
on the drop down, right?
Yep. I want to get one of those Bubba scales. They're more accurate. $174, new PB. My PB is small, my one big anyway. So, dang, ow, you butthole! It's on the scale right my finger. a lot of fish. Alright, go. Can you flip them up in here? Yeah, this is fun, man. I used to hate Lake James.
That's on me, brother. Where's the flyers at?
Just drop off. There he is. Biggin, I think. Yeah, big head shakes. Big head shakes. Damn, baby.
And then he stops fighting, and then he starts fighting it. I was gonna make that statement a second ago, but every time I was gonna say it, it would take off again. Dang, huh?
Either another feisty little dude or he's big. I haven't even seen him yet.
I'm hoping for your sake it's a big.
Bro, where is he? Bigger than that last one. 3-pounder probably.
2.5, 3, yeah.
Broke my PB twice.
I'm hoping to bring mine again here. It's gonna be hard though. Probably the biggest one of the bunch that I've got.
Woohoo!
Ooh, bro, that was the most.
Yeah. Woohoo! Look at that. Beautiful. Like James Smallmouth. Woohoo! This day's crazy. I used to hate this lake. When I'm figuring out what to do, how to catch these big smallmouth, it's probably 2.5. I used 2. Yeah. 201. Second PB broken of the day. 2-pounder. I've never really caught big smallies, so super fun. They fight like 4-pound largemouth, I swear. Awesome. Well, that's bathwater, dude. Took my. I had him barely skin hooked on the side of his mouth. Running out of murky minnows. We got 2 left, but that's okay. I got plenty of other drop shot plastics. Berkeley flatworm's probably one of the best drop shot baits. I don't have any of those. This is the closest thing I have to flatworm. And behind us. Perfect. Yeah, I'm sitting there wiggling it, and then they come eat it. Every time I've caught a fish on this, it's been when I've been wiggling it. So
I think it's serious when I caught one.
get one. Let's go. Get you some drop shot fish.
Alright, drop shot skin going on. I can't. There's 2 casts in a row.
I'll net my own fish this time. Never mind. Can you get down and hunk my whopper flopper? Might have to scoop them up, Bassmaster style.
I can't let you have all the fun.
Bro, if this fish is bigger.
Break it again.
He's heavy. The Iowa Regal.
Really?
Killing me, man.
In my flip-flop.
I think this one's bigger. He's heavy.
Did you leave the scale or did you pick up?
I just still put it back in the day box. Here, get, you know. Can't even get him up.
I was gonna say, I'm not here to net him if you can't get him up.
Oh, here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Oh yeah, he's bigger. That's a largemouth. That's a spotted bass. What is that?
Largy. No?
Meatmouth, probably.
Just a little bit.
He's got a little bit of. I'll call him a smallmouth.
That's a smallmouth, bro. Look at that.
Yeah, but he's got like the largemouth stripe on him.
All I need to know is where's the drop box.
In the red, Busby box with a red tag. I'm using a small drop shot. I'm not using a big one. Well, might be breaking my smallmouth PB 3 times today.
I don't doubt it. I really would. Excuse you, sir.
That's the wrong button.
Excuse you, sir.
Red Busby box with drop shot baits are in the
What are you using?
the Guggen.
Dragon drop?
Yeah. Yep.
2 what?
2.5 or 2.42.
Right? Stuff,
Broke
bro.
my PB 3 times today, boys.
You using this one?
No, that's a wacky hook. So I'm using a.
It's on me, bro.
Here, use the strip one. It's about the same size as the one I'm throwing. I don't want to have to resort to the wacky hook. I'm gonna have to buy more drop shot hooks. Here we go. Show the camera. Oh, that's on me.
Through my life!
2.5 pound. He's more like a mean mouth. He's got a little bit of largemouth stripe in there, but still a pretty good smallmouth in my opinion. Super fun, man. It's awesome. I mean, they fight so hard. You can't even. I mean, 2.5 pounder largemouth. I'm getting that thing in a quarter of the time I'm getting that fish in.
First time all rings. Busting up the point again. I'll let him in that area. Way off. When it drops off. Little, not big. Go, Scoop. Show these people I'm going on a wing tournament. Oh. I'm here. Yeah, we'd have had 14 pounds by now. The smallmouth. We should have kept it. No, the smallmouth are a lot more. I swear we could start a bag right now. Do it. Start weighing. 5 fish.
Here we go. I got double up, baby.
Start the bag.
Too little. I think. Oh, he got heavy. Oh my gosh! You get the net. Get the net. Yes.
Everything of mine is snagging. another two.
Yes, sir, baby.
That's Badget. That's Badget.
Good grief. That'll wrap it up. Super fun day fishing here on James. Lots and lots of smallmouth. Caught some largemouth this morning too, fish was shallower, but smallmouth are fun, they're fight hard. So caught a lot of PBs today. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. Also hit the sub button if you're new. We'll catch you in the next one.